I know why you click on this video, because you like to laugh at me that I failed my account. Or maybe you are here just because you want to learn something from my mistakes for your trading journey. I assume that you are just a beginner or somewhat profitable and you want to find out what mistake I did that I blow my account, and you want to avoid those mistakes for your trading journey. So if you're one of those people, continue watching this video if you want to learn, and if you are a beginner or somewhat profitable, I suggest you to watch to see what happened in the last 3 months and how I blew this account on $100,000. So first and foremost, I blew the account January 2025, so now it's 2025 January 24th. I blew the account last week, and it wasn't very nice, I can tell you that. Let's get straight on my screen to show you what happened and how that happened. So this is my screen, Alpha Capital account, and as you can see, I've been on a pretty good, actually, coming back from little drawdown in October, beginning of October. In the middle of October, I got back to 100K, actually in a little bit of profit, so 100,600, I believe so, yeah, almost. Then what happened? I lost few trades, and then since then, I just keep going down and down and down and down, and then it was like a huge spike down all the way to, what is this, 93, and kind of hold around the 93,000, and we had another huge spike down, and we hold around 91, 92, and I just couldn't get out of it. And all the way to January, what is this, 10th of January, I blew that account. And 10th of January, that was the last few $100, so I just decided to risk it all without stop loss, because, you know, it's either that or nothing, and it didn't work out. So I lost that account. You can see my trades in October. October was actually not too bad. You can see that I had quite a few profits. You can see 2,500 here, $500, $1,000, and then the losses wasn't that bad. Well, this one was really big loss. Now when I'm looking at back, actually, I'm realizing why I'm risking so much. So, I mean, I usually risk up to 0.5%, but you can see in October I risk obviously more than that. You can see here in November as well, I risk probably, what is this, 1.5%, or maybe this is actually in the same day. There's a few trades. Let's see. So this is Swiss franc JPY. You can see $1,000 lost. So yeah, nothing nice. So there's November. December, this is where I went really downhill. You can see loss, and then January here is all basic losses. What is my win rate? You can see here it's 29%, which is supposed to be double of that at least. And I know what happened, and I suggest you to avoid that, even that it's much easier to said than to be done, and that is, do not overtrade and be patient. Those two things make me fail my account: patience and overtrading. Now, why overtrading? Number one, you enter a trade, hit your stop loss, the same day you enter another trade thinking you wanna get the profits back, or you're gonna get the loss back and a little bit of profits, or just to break even, and you take a trade which you think it might be good, and then you enter the trade and you look at the trade and you think in yourself, this actually doesn't look too good, but it still could go to my TP, and guess what, it doesn't. So that's exactly what happened to me. And if that happened to you, just comment down below that happened to you as well, because I know a lot of you, most of you, especially if you're beginner or somewhat profitable, it happened to you as well. Don't say it didn't. Even if you're pro trader, it happened to you as well. So there's no trader in the world which hasn't been through this. Number two, patience. And now the patience, this is a big one. You prepare the trades at the beginning of the week, or what I'm doing, I prepare the trades on Sunday. When I wake up in the morning, I prepare the trades, top 5 or top 4, which I want to trade for the next week. before the market actually opens, FX market. So what I do, I prepare all the markets, I do my support resistance, I do my area of interest, where I want to enter the trades, and etc. The markets open on Monday or even Tuesday, and I see that the price action is almost at the area of interest. Guess what? And I enter the trade, and I believe you enter the trade as well, because you're thinking, oh, this is actually looks too good, because now we turn bearish or bullish on 30 minutes or 1 hour, even that you're waiting for the daily support or resistance, and then you enter the trade, and then because you entered it before it got to the area, actually you lost the trade. And that's exactly what happened to me. So those two things are the most valuable and the most hard thing to do for me, especially because I'm coming from a business where I was publishing books. So I'm a publisher, or I was a publisher, I have a publishing company. And then the more you do in the business, the more you make. Basically, in any other business in the world, the more things you do, the hustle you do, either it's a restaurant, either it's an online business, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, anything, the more you do, the more you basically make, sort of. In trading, it's the other way around. The less you do, the more you make. And that's the biggest lesson to learn. Anyway, so that's my story, what happened with this account. It's nothing really much to say to it. I'm already in another account. I'm not gonna show you that account, but I'm already working. I already purchased another account, 100,000. I'm working on that to get funded as well. So I'll update you on that next week. That's why you should subscribe to see how's the journey going. And other than that, I have really nothing else to say. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That's just my little update, because I just wanted to share it with the world and show you guys that when I'm profitable consistently and I'm making these tens of thousands of dollars consistently every month, and you will want to learn from me, from my YouTube videos, you're gonna be like, can I trust this guy? Can I actually believe in what he's saying? You can basically just go back in my YouTube, go to these dates and see, oh, this guy actually was losing this whole time. For about a year he was losing, and he was saying that he was losing, and then he lost funded account, and then he bought another account and he lost that one too, and he bought another account and he lost that one too. So then you can see for yourself. That's it.